Hi friends, this video is from interview.com, a job portal. In this video, I'm going to explain to you Descendant Selector in Jquery. What is Descendant Selector? It will select all the elements that are descendants of a given ancestor. I'll explain you the HTML code, then I'll show you the live demo. If you see in this HTML, we have a form, and under the form we have input element. And under the form we have another element called field set, and field set contains input element. The scenario I'll tell you, I want to identify this input element, I want to highlight it with background color or border something. So how do I identify these two input elements? One way is to use this ID directly. I can identify this input element from this web page. I can do whatever I want, manipulation I can do. Okay, now there is another way where you can use descendant selector. What is that? For input element, form is the ancestor. For this input element, field set is the ancestor. For field set, form is the ancestor. Okay, so using this ancestor descendant relationship, I can identify any element from the HTML web page code. So that's what I've done. So to identify this input element, I've given ancestor and descendant in relationship, and I'm able to identify it. Ancestor descendant and ancestor descendant. That's how I'm able to reach this input element. Okay, let me show you the code. So we have a form ancestor and descendant input element, field set ancestor and input element as the descendant. So using this relationship, we are able to identify. When I click on this button, we are able to identify the element and we are able to highlight it. How it's happening? Because of this code. Please remember, we can select an HTML element using ancestor descendant relationship. In the sense, it's almost similar to a parent-child relationship. Okay, this is how the Jquery descendant selector works in Jquery. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.